It appears that the crime was detected in the early hours of the morning.
Yes.
No, in the evening.
After the crime was detected in the early hours of the morning, the principal of the hospital tries to pass this off as a suicide.
Not true. Not true. Not
Her
true.
parents are not allowed to see the body. The parents are not allowed to see the body for almost.
No, Malad, this is, I'm sorry. Anyway, Malad, this is
Not
the
that
impression.
our investigation also
We'll have to place the facts before your lordships. We have investigated that. This is not correct.
So
Let us read the order.
until late night, we find that no FIR was registered.
That's also not correct. Not correct.
What time was the FIR registered?
Malad, in fact, we did what is called, what we call a UD case, Malad.
UD case.
Unnatural death case registered.
Yes, unnatural death case.
Registered.
But
Immediately.
that's right.
That's an FIR, Malad. That's an FIR.
Not the body is discovered.
The UD case.
The FIR registered formally in the police.
Malad's inquest was done and then FIR registered immediately and the investigation started.
What time
It should have been done.
the FIR registered?
12, Malad. 12:30.
Does the FIR say that this is a case of a murder?
No.
Yes.
No, it
No, my lord, we
unnatural death. It was.
We have something.
Unnatural death.
One second.
Inquest shows it's a case of murder,
One
Malad.
second.
Inquest shows it's a case of murder.
Inquest is done. The postmortem the autopsy is conducted.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, until the night, no FIR indicating that this is a clear case of a murder has been made out.
It has, Malad. I'm sorry. I'll place those facts before your lordship.
See the
It
order.
has been, Malad.
Lord, may I suggest?
From
my lord, may I
unnatural
suggest-
death, he registered the case
Lord,
for murder.
That-
We caught the victim. He is a civic worker, Malad. It's an individual act. I show all that, your lordship.
And that's the first aspect.
Yes.
What was the principal doing? Why did he not, why was this kind of inaction on the part first an attempt to pass this off as a suicide instead of a murder?
I'm sorry, Malad. That's not correct.
Not registering an FIR till late in the evening. Third, the body itself is handed over to the parents sometime in the evening for cremation. Fourth, and that's a matter of very serious concern. On the next day, the doctors, because they were all doctors working with her, the doctors are on protest. A group of persons, a mob assembles at the hospital. The hospital is invaded and the critical facilities are damaged in the morning or whenever the mob enters. What was the police doing?
Yes.
Not
Malad, we have videos for all. Malad, let me first of all state.
Surely, Mr. Sibal,
What?
the police,
Lord,
Malad,
a very serious offense has taken place. The crime scene is within the precincts of the hospital. Now, that is the first thing that the police have to do, namely to protect the crime scene. What are they doing?
Malad,
Nothing.
We allow vandals to enter the hospital.
It's impossible that
That's,
7,000 people
first
can
of all,
gather without
of all-
the consent.
Please, one second.
allow me.
Lord,
This is-
7,000 people can never gather without knowledge or consent of the.
This is not an adversarial
It's
litigation.
not, therefore, let us not be in denial mode. One girl has lost life
One second.
by not only, my lord, a sexual pervert, he is an animal.
Sir,
Principal, after the principal resigns from this medical college,
He sent to another
he's,
hospital.
he's appointed as a principal of another college.
Immediately.
He doesn't resign. But anyway, be that as, Malad, let me
His conduct, at the least, his conduct is under scrutiny, and he's appointed as a principal somewhere else.
Lord,
This is all, we have a note
Lord,
on
yes.
all this
Lord,
misinformation.
it's not contradict each other. There is a high court
What
order.
is the reality? Just show it to you.
Let them file the report, not.
But just show it to
Matter
you.
tomorrow.
My lord.
Couple of things which we would like
Would be
to do.
there.
Well, let's make it very clear.
Yeah.
We would want the investigation has been handed over to the
CBI.
Bureau of Investigation.
Yes, done, yes,
We want CBI to file a status report before this court on Thursday.
correct.
We will take up the case on Thursday. We want CBI to apprise us on the status of the investigation.
Correct.
The investigation obviously must be at a very sensitive stage so that it's something which should be submitted to the court.
For court's consumption, not, my lord,
the
making
case
it public.
It's really an investigation.